Hello, and welcome to Illogical Conclusion, a show that asks a baffling pop culture question and brings it to a rational answer, no matter how exhaustingly far up the clown hole we need to go. Today's query is... The HBO show Westworld is about a futuristic island park designed to quell mankind's eternal thirst for shooting and/or boning cowboy robots to piano covers of Radiohead. This centers around having realistic but non-lethal firearms. Through a vague technology, bullets in Westworld ping off of the guests while penetrating the robot hosts. Right away, there are two easy explanations for how this would work in real life. Those are, 1. The bullets are going at a lower velocity speed than real bullets, and the robots either have weaker skin or squibs simulating a gunshot. Or 2. Only the guests have real guns while the hosts have non-lethal ones. However, the later episodes of the series make both of these impossible. Hosts engage in activity proving their skin to be worthy levels of durable, going so far as to show one of them physically remove a bullet from their body. We also see guests and hosts occasionally swap weapons, meaning that the guns are interchangeable, and so we logically have to conclude that the bullets themselves are special. This is further corroborated by the supplementary fictional website explaining that their guns feature low-velocity technology similar to paintballs. Out-of-universe writer Jonah Nolan has confirmed that the bullets are called simunitions, which are a low-velocity, non-lethal ammunition. But if the guests and hosts are routinely swapping guns, it means that the bullet we see lodged in one of the robot characters is the same type of bullet that bounces off guests. Not to mention, these bullets will also damage inanimate objects in the park. And so all of that means these simunitions have to do two things. 1. Know the difference between organic and inorganic matter. And 2. Quickly decelerate to a non-lethal velocity when it senses the target is living. Now, let's deal with that second one first. If the non-lethal setting of these bullets feels similar to a paintball impact, that would put them at about 86 meters or 285 feet per second. This is a safe assumption considering that this velocity is right on the edge of what is considered non-lethal. It also happens to be the same speed as an experimental crowd-control projectile called the Pogo Jet. But unlike Westworld's bullets, the Pogo Jet is designed to slowly burn its propellant in order to maintain a constant and non-killing speed over a long distance, creating an incapacitating round that when fired remains effective for both long and short range. Bullets on Westworld need to toggle between two different velocities, lethal or penetrative, and non-lethal. If the lethal speed is the same as a regular bullet, that would mean Westworld simunitions could slow down or speed up to 5,000 feet per second. That's faster than the speed of sound, and it would have to do this in mere nanoseconds after identifying its target. That is amazing. Obviously, we're talking about a sci-fi show, so that's not outside the realm of the story, but here's where it gets weird. The park's fictional terms and conditions specifically state that their safeguards regarding bullet velocity are proprietary to their parent company, and that means Westworld is manufacturing these bullets themselves. All of them. If Westworld has at least 1,400 guests, and those guests fire a very conservative 20 bullets a day, well that adds up to 28,000 pieces of simunitions. That comes to over 10 million bullets a year being manufactured for pew-pew bullshit cowboy fights. This is where we draw our illogical conclusion. The scientists of Westworld have invented a type of ammunition that would revolutionize war as we know it. Bullets that can detect targets and drastically change their velocity on command. There's no telling what else they might be able to do if applied to various tasks, and they are using this technology as a footnote in their Rowdy Hat sex park. Or a more horrifying theory. Westworld's parent company Delos has a weapons manufacturing division and is using their park as an unofficial testing site for prototypes. It would explain the sketchiness of the company in the show and why they would build robots in the first place. What it wouldn't explain is why a large arms dealer would feel the need to build an amusement park. That's like if Lockheed Martin opened a traveling air show to test their new F-35 jets. It's not safe, affordable, or discreet. It's insanity. It's an insane thing to do. The show is the symphony of a madman. And that's how those goddamn bullets work.
Everybody, thanks for watching that video. Click the C in the middle of your screen to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications. You know the drill, it's YouTube. If you don't like YouTube, check us out on Amazon Prime. All of our videos are there now, and they're amazing and they look great, and you should watch them there.